Hello everyone! Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. Today, I'm gonna show you another small haul from the Dollar Tree. I went to Pleasant Hill to pick up some items from a good friend of mine, and on our way there, I was hoping I could see a Dollar Tree over there, because not our Dollar Tree over here doesn't have all the stuff that I've been seeing in YouTube. I might as well drop by and see if they got it. But I really didn't find what I was looking for, but I got a few items that I want to share with you. These are new finds at the Dollar Tree. I got some wood numbers. These are wood numbers, you know, and you just can paint them. And I got some organizers, and this is a pretty organizer. It has a lot of division inside the box for your beads or whatever small items that you had, and I got 3 of those. There you are. I got 3 of those, and then I got this beautiful peacock feathers, and only for $1. It's a feather peak, and look at that peacock design. It's so beautiful. And I got 2 of a different color. I mean 2 with different colors. Then I got those things. Isn't that pretty? And I got some star gems for cards, or you know, bead makings, or whatever project you want to do. And I got this one. These are nail stickers. I want to try them. See, they're so pretty. I mean, maybe I can color my nails white or pink and stick on the stickers, and we'll see from there how it looks like. For $1, why not? Let's try. And I got a notebook carnet. This is a pretty handy notebook that you can carry on your purse, because sometimes, you know, it's better that if we, although I do have on my purse, but I think this is much nicer from the ones I have. At least it's a hard bound, and it's secured, and see, and you can write your notes in there if you, and it comes with a pen. It comes with a pen, and for $1, and it's pretty nice. So I got that one, and I also got a different kind of notebook, and this is really, really cute. You see, the front is an envelope, a plastic envelope. You can stick down your receipts in there, you know. Try to write down notes, and if you got receipts, you can just put it in there. I got that one. And I wanted to try to a bird feeder, easy to assemble, decorate your own. I think I'm gonna try this. I can use this in other projects, like there is a direction on how to put it all together. It's a bird feeder, but it's just a petite one. I can use this in my Halloween projects, you know, that's coming up, or fall. I'm gonna try those ones. And another birdhouse. This is a birdhouse that I got, a wood birdhouse. See? And there's a direction. You can just, you know, glue it. Got that for $1. And I've seen this in one of the crafters in YouTube, and they purchased this pencil and brush organizer. I think this is gonna be pretty nice for your pencils, for your brush, or whatever tools you have that you can use this organizer for. Okay, and I got some of this self-adhesive hooks. You got 6 for $1. And I also got, these are not new finds, but I might as well got them. These are just pouches, like this one, a canvas pouch. See, this is a flamingo. I got a flamingo and a rabbit there, and a zebra. And I also got this binder pouch. These are pretty cool pouches that you could put in your binder because it got a 3-hole notches on each binder, on each plastic pouch where you can stick it on your binder. So I got this color orange, I got color pink, I got color green, I got light pink, I got blue, I got a color teal, and a peach color. See, I already put something on it. And I got another peach color. So I'm going to show you how you can put this in your binder. I made one binder here, which I also bought in the Dollar Tree, and I designed it with some wall stickers. I Mod Podge it, and that's how it turned out. There, if you look at the design over here, that's the design, the overall design of the binder that I made. And I also put a design on the inside. So this is how it's gonna work, your binder pouches. And you just insert your binders here, and it really works pretty well. You can put anything. You can put documents, stickers, ephemera, cutouts, die cuts, whatever you like. So just put it in there, and they have lots of different colors. These are the only colors that I found over there, so I grabbed one of each. Others I got 2 there. And this is the peach one, which I own. This one over here, I also bought this a long time ago. It's a ring phone holder. Yeah, this is very useful in any DIY. I have not used it yet, and it goes like this. They have a closure that way. And I just put that there inside, and on the other end I placed my other binder, other pouches that I made, a canvas pouch that's also $1. This is nice also as a gift for Christmas, and you just put all the goodies there. See, and that's how it turned out. There, that's my binder. See, you can make something out of it. There, different colors, and they are pretty colors. Okay, so well, that's all for today. That's all the things that a small haul from the Dollar Tree. Until my next project, I'll see you again soon, and thank you for watching, and stay safe. Bye.